Welcome to Needs versus Wants, prioritizing survival over lifestyle. Get ready to transform how you view your money and spending habits. Understanding the fundamental difference between needs and wants is the bedrock of strong personal finance. It's about setting a solid foundation for your financial future. At its core, a need is something required for survival and basic well-being, while a want is a desire that enhances your life but isn't essential for existence. Distinguishing between these two is crucial. It ensures you allocate resources to essential stability first, preventing financial stress and ensuring long-term security. Let's start by defining what truly constitutes a need in your budget. Needs cover survival essentials: enough food, stable housing, basic utilities like water and heat, and reliable transportation to earn income. These are non-negotiable for basic human functionality. Examples of true needs include basic health insurance, minimum debt payments to avoid default, and sufficient food to be healthy, not extravagant. The golden rule: always fund your needs first. These expenses are non-negotiable and must be covered completely before any money is allocated elsewhere. Now, let's turn our attention to the fun but often costly category of wants. Wants are non-essential desires. They improve your life quality but aren't vital for survival. Think of luxury goods, premium streaming services, or eating out frequently. Examples include that high-end designer item, dining out multiple times a week, or that expensive coffee shop habit. While enjoyable, these can be cut without impacting your survival. Be aware of lifestyle creep. As your income rises, so do your wants, often blurring the line between essentials and luxuries. This is where careful budgeting comes in. So how do we apply this knowledge to create a powerful financial prioritization strategy? The core strategy is simple. Follow the fund needs first rule. Every dollar earned must first be assigned to cover your essential survival expenses. Only after your needs are fully secured should you allocate remaining funds to savings, investments, or discretionary spending on wants. Financial discipline is about making conscious trade-offs. Choosing a more affordable apartment, a need, frees up funds for that nice dinner out, a want. Evaluate every decision. Let's summarize the key takeaways from prioritizing needs over wants. Remember, needs secure your stability and survival. Wants enhance your life and should only be pursued once that bedrock of financial security is firm. By practicing conscious spending and prioritizing survival needs, you build a resilient budget that truly supports your long-term goals. Start budgeting today.